Imagine waking up every morning knowing exactly what you need to do and actually doing it. No more endless procrastination. No more, "I'll start tomorrow." That's the power of self-discipline, and today, I'm going to show you how to build it from the ground up. Self-discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you create. Like a muscle, it grows stronger with practice. If you've ever wondered how some people seem to stay consistent no matter what, here's the secret. They built their discipline one small choice at a time, and so can you. Think of self-discipline like a gym for your mind. The first push-up feels awkward. The first mile feels impossible. But step by step, repetition turns effort into habit and habit into identity. Building self-discipline from scratch means rewiring your daily choices. And the good news is you don't need superhuman willpower. You just need a plan. Start small to win big. Too many people try to overhaul their entire life overnight and burn out fast. Instead, start with one habit. If you want to wake up earlier, begin by setting your alarm just 10 minutes sooner. Small wins build trust with yourself, and trust fuels discipline. Make it visible. Track your progress in a way you can see a calendar, an app, or even sticky notes on your wall. Seeing your streak gives your brain a hit of accomplishment and keeps you motivated to continue. Remove friction, add reward. Set your environment up for success. If you want to work out in the morning, lay out your clothes the night before. If you're trying to write, silence your phone. Pair discipline with small rewards, a cup of your favorite coffee after finishing a task, or a few minutes of your favorite podcast after a workout. If this resonated with you, hit that like button. It helps more people find this message. And if you're serious about building unstoppable discipline, subscribe for weekly motivation and tips to stay on track. Pick one habit you want to master. Write it down. Decide on a ridiculously easy version of it. The no excuse version. Remove barriers. Prepare your environment so the action is almost automatic. Track your streak visibly. Reward yourself immediately after completing it. Repeat this cycle for 30 days. By the end, you 1T just have a habit. You L have proof that you re capable of discipline. Picture this. Instead of hitting snooze, you're up early, working on your goals before the world wakes. Instead of doom scrolling at night, you're reading or planning your next move. That confidence you've always envied. It comes naturally when you've proven to yourself you can follow through. Of course, you'll slip up. Everyone does. The key is not perfection, it's persistence. When you miss a day, don't quit. Just restart the next day. Self-discipline isn't about never falling. It's about always getting back up. Self-discipline isn't some distant mountain you have to climb. It's a path you build, one brick at a time. Start today. Start small and before you know it. You'll look back and realize you've become the person you always wanted to be.